residents, what's going on today? Welcome back to the channel. My name is MJ. I'm a realtor out here in Las Vegas, Nevada, working with the Berkshire Hathaway brand. And on today's tour, we are back up in Skye Mesa, built by Century Communities up in Skye Canyon. Today we are looking over the Residence 1816 model in this all single story neighborhood. This home features 1,816 square feet, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathrooms, and a 2-bay garage, all starting at $400,990. You do have an optional den or a 4th bedroom in here, and you also have an optional covered patio on the back. There are 3 different elevations to choose from, and all of them will come with the pavers that you're seeing out front here, as well as the front irrigation complete and the landscaping. That said, let's go ahead, head straight on inside. As soon as you enter this home, you are greeted into the great room, and then behind you will be the den, the laundry room, and one of the bathrooms. To the right in the kitchen there will be your garage entry. The master suite is in the back portion of the house, and 2 of the bedrooms are in the middle portion. First, let's go back here and take a look at this den. They have it set up as an office. Again, you have an optional bedroom here. All you have to do is put a door right here and a closet. This whole entire home is decorated out in a modern feel. A lot of abstract lines. As you saw, there is a 2-blade ceiling fan in here. Very interesting. To the right here is going to be the bathroom. They have it set up as a half bathroom. I'm sure if you wanted, you have an optional full bathroom if you care to. I love the texture that they have on the wall for that tile. Pedestal sink is pretty unique too. You don't see too many pedestal sinks that are rectangular like that. There's the laundry room. They do have the cabinetry installed up above. Nice sized laundry room there. Coming out into the great room here, they decorated out this kitchen really nicely with the stacked uppers and the glass cabinetry there. Very pretty. Really nice crown molding on top of this cabinetry as well. You do get 10-foot ceilings in this community. Again, this is an all single story community. As far as your countertops in the kitchen, you will get a granite or a quartz slab countertop with a 2¼ inch square edge with a 4-inch backsplash. Your cabinetry will be 42-inch uppers with the 3-inch crown molding. The backsplash right here, that's definitely an upgrade. You are welcome to choose that stuff at the design studio. They have a whole plethora of options to choose from. Your appliance package will be all stainless steel. You'll get a 36-inch gas cooktop with a single built-in wall oven and built-in microwave, with the canopy hood and the dishwasher as well. This home has a really nice sized pantry as we're looking in right now. That's about double the size of my pantry. That's huge. You could put a lot of food in there. Looking over into the great room here, the dining area, in my opinion, could stand to be a little bit bigger. I'm not a big fan of having the galley type design here. I don't like having the kitchen and then the dining room and then the living room. This is not my preferred design. I would have more of a triangle personally, but that's just me. Real nice texture on the wall again here. They did this quite well throughout this entire home, and this gas fireplace is absolutely gorgeous as well. I was very impressed with Century Communities, how they decorate their homes. I feel they did a really, really good job. They're right up there with Toll Brothers or Party Homes. Party does a really, really good job. They tend to go over the top a lot. Very cool to go look at their homes. Coming into this first bedroom here, this bedroom is 11'4" by 10' even, and the bedroom across the hall is the same size as well. They do share that bathroom in the middle, which is a full bathroom with the shower tub combo. I'm sure if you wanted, you could have the option of a dual vanity here as well. The front den area, that was 14'1" by 10'0". Just for your reference, I didn't say that before. Both these bedrooms are identical, but they are flipped. In terms of your flooring, you will get carpet throughout this home with the exception of the entry, the bathrooms, the kitchen, and the laundry room, where you will get 17 by 17 by 17 inch ceramic tiles. The doors in this house are actually oversized as well. They are all 8-foot doors by 3-foot wide. Nice feature to have, gives it a little bit more depth to your home and makes it feel a lot bigger. There's the patio out there. We'll go out there in a minute. Nice cabinetry installed right outside the master suite here. Here we are in the master suite. This bedroom is 15'0" by 13'0". Again, there's that texture on the wall. I'm sure that is just wallpaper or flat, but even still, the look of it gives it a nice depth. You have an option to have a door put on here if you like. And they did upgrade this bathroom in here to have the walk-in shower. They do have the dual vanity installed with the rectangular undermount sinks. Really, really nice touch. And they have the white faced cabinetry there. There's a water closet. There's a walk-in closet to the left there as well. Again, here's a texture inside that shower. You will get a marble shower surround, so this is definitely an upgrade with those tiles. I love the dark hardware that they chose throughout this home too. Has a really nice feel to it. Very pretty. Love that rain shower too. That's nice. Now, being located in Skye Canyon, you do have an HOA fee of $83.33 a month, but you get a lot of amenities included with that. The local HOA is going to be $50 a month, totaling out to $133.33 a month. There is a SID lid with a $9,266 balance, which will be paid $332.58 semi-annually. That will be added to your mortgage. Let's go ahead and head on out to the back patio and take a look how they decorated out this backyard. Now out here, there are two options of covered patios. There's one right here, and then to the right, as you come around the corner here, there's an option of a second covered area. And they did have both of these installed on this model. There was the hose bib right there. They have a really nice barbecue pit installed out. A barbecue area installed out here. I guess it could be a barbecue pit. But after that said, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this tour. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Well, residents, what did you think of the 1816 model? Did you enjoy this floor plan? What about the decor? Did you like that modern touch to it? Personally, I think the floor plan itself is not all that good. I personally like the 1742 model better. I feel like they utilize the space better. However, it's up to you. Let us know in the comments below. Let's start a discussion. I want to hear from every single one of you down there. I would personally like to thank Paula and the entire Century Communities team for allowing us to come out and film these models and get these videos prepared just for you. If you're liking this entire single story neighborhood, make sure you stick around next week for the 2204 model that we are going to be walking through. It is part of their collection 2, which is available in this neighborhood as well. And if you do enjoy this type of content and you want to see some more, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification so you don't miss a single video when I upload. But as always, I appreciate you guys stopping by and touring with me today all the way to the end of the video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Get me out of here.
Get me out of here.